Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts and welcome. So today I want to show you guys how I make my primitive grungy solution that I'm going to use on my cute little pig here. I think he's super cute. I had fun making him and this is what he looks like. So we're going to grunge him up a little bit more, but I need more of my grunge solution, so I figured I'd show you guys how I make it. And my little pig is going to be held by one of my little dolls here, and coming soon will be the little pig with the dolls, but these are the ones that are in my shop right now, just like as is. And this is Agatha, this is Ruthie, and then we got Penelope here, which I showed you the other day how to make Penelope's hair, so I'll make sure to put that on the end screen with the playlist of how to make my junky little grungy Grammy dolls here. And you guys can get all caught up with it. And I'll make sure to put this video that I'm making now on my junky grungy Grammy series, and then it'll be all caught up with you guys. So I'll make sure that's all at the playlist at the end, and you guys can come check it out. So for today, let's get started here. But and also I wanted to let you guys know they are in my Etsy shop, the dolls and the pattern. So if you guys want to come make these fun little dolls here, the pattern is down below in the description box, plus the dolls that are available. I tried to get the links down there for my Etsy shop. So just wanted to let you guys know all that. Now let's get started here. I just wanted to pop on real quick and show you guys how I'm going to make this. So what I have is a cup of warm water, some instant coffee, and I just do the dark roast, and it's just whatever's the cheapest just to grab. A jar, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, and some ginger, some ground ginger. So that just makes it smell really good and gives it a good, just grungy, grimy feel to it. And then a jar, of course, and then I have a teaspoon. And we're going to do a half a cup of the instant coffee. Okay? So I'm going to start off with putting just a cup of warm water into a jar. Okay? So that's 1 cup. And then we're going to go ahead and add our half a cup of granules. There we go. Try not to make too big of a mess here. That's why I got my little silicone mat down here to catch most of this. Okay. So we're going to add that in there. And I'll move this out of the way so it's just not glaring at you guys. We're going to do a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll do it over the jar. A little bit more doesn't hurt anybody. So just a teaspoon-ish of cinnamon, and then ground nutmeg. And it's just going to give it such a nice smell. And some ground ginger. And of course, you could do this to your liking of how much you want of everything. I'm going to add that. Okay. And then I'm just going to take my paintbrush. And it's just whatever old paintbrush you got. And give it a mix. And this is just such a fun solution that you could just put a lid on it, keep it in your fridge, and it'll last for months. And if you're worrying about like mold or anything settling on top of it, you can add a little bit of like rubbing alcohol in it. That helps too, to make it so just the mold doesn't settle on it. But if you're having it in the fridge, it'll be fine for a while. Okay. There we go. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Okay. So there we go. So that's how I make my solution. And let's go ahead, give it a little grunge here. Let's grunge up our pig. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to know how I made this cute little pig here. He is going to be, like I said, on the newer dolls that I'm going to make and the links and stuff. They'll be holding like little animals and stuff. And I'm working on patterns. And this will be part of a pattern with other little animals. And I'll have that in my Etsy shop soon. So keep checking down below for the links for that. And I think that'll be a fun little pattern. Plus, let me know in the video or in the comments below if you guys want to know how I made him. And I'll have a little detailed video that will come along with the pattern. So I love hearing from you guys. And if you guys are liking this video, please hit the like button. That helps me out so much. And I really appreciate and love hearing from you guys. So I'm just kind of grunging him up. His little ears. And I'm just going to set him out in the hot sun here and let him bake in the sun. It's a hot day here in Oregon, so might as well just put him outside. You can even take the little granules of coffee and just rub them in. All grunged up. I just have to glue this little twine down a little bit better. So he is ready to go. And let him dry, and there we go. So I just wanted to pop on real quick, show you guys my little grungy solution here that I'm using on my little primitive pig here. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.